Even if you're not exactly sure where you're at with your money right now, these experts can help guide you through the various stages of your financial journey. Their books will teach you how to manage money confidently and control it. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Countless readers have been helped by the famous Babylonian Parables, hailed as the greatest of all inspirational works on the subject of thrift, financial planning, and personal wealth. Acclaimed as a modern-day classic, this celebrated bestseller offers an understanding of, and a solution to, your personal financial problems that will guide you through a lifetime. Financial Freedom by Grant Sabatier. Financial freedom is a step-by-step path to make more money in less time, so you have more time for the things you love. It challenges the accepted narrative of spending decades working a traditional 9-to-5 job, pinching pennies, and finally earning the right to retirement at age 65, and instead offers readers an alternative. Forget everything you've ever learned about money so that you can actually live the life you want. Get Good with Money by Tiffany the Budgetnista Aliche. A 10-step plan for finding peace, safety, and harmony with your money, no matter how big or small your goals and no matter how rocky the market might be, by the inspiring and savvy Budgetnista. Broke Millennial by Erin Lowry. Broke Millennial shows step-by-step how to go from flat broke to financial badass. Packed with refreshingly simple advice and hilarious true stories, Broke Millennial is the essential roadmap every financially clueless millennial needs to become a money master. Broke Millennial takes on investing by Erin Lowry. Millennials want to learn how to start investing. The problem is that most have no idea where to begin. In this second book in the Broke Millennial series, Erin Lowry answers those questions and delivers all of the investment basics in one easy-to-digest package. Tackling topics ranging from common terminology to how to handle your anxiety to retirement savings and even how to actually buy and sell a stock, this hands-on guide will help any investment newbie become a confident player in the market on their way to building wealth. You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero. You Are a Badass at Making Money will launch you past the fears and stumbling blocks that have kept financial success beyond your reach. Drawing on her own transformation, over just a few years, Jen Sincero combines hilarious personal essays with bite-size, aha concepts that unlock earning potential and get real results. Technology has made virtually every aspect of our lives cheaper and more convenient. Shouldn't it do the same when it comes to managing our finances? Alexa Von Tobel, the author of the best-selling classic Financially Fearless, says that it can. In this straightforward and jargon-free guide, she shows us how to use the simple tools found on any smartphone to put more money back into our wallets. Financially Fearless by Alexa Von Tobel. Through the Learn Vest program, you'll create your customized 50-20-30ths plan. 50-20-30 simply refers to the percentage breakdown of how to spend your take-home pay each month. The 50 gets the essentials out of the way so you don't have to stress about them. The 20 sets your foundation for the future, then the 30 is left to spend on the things that bring happiness to your life. Kakeibo by Fumiko Chiba. People in Japan are masters of minimal living, able to make do with less in all aspects of life, whether it's decluttering personal belongings or savvy seasonal cooking. At the heart of all this is the Kakeibo, the budgeting journal used to set savings goals and track spending. The premise is simple. At the beginning of each month, the prompts in this book help you to plan how much you would like to save and what you need to do in order to reach your goal. The Kakeibo then gives you space to jot down your weekly spending and reflect on the month just gone. The act of completing your journal ensures that saving is a part of your everyday life, while also giving you the opportunity to reflect and improve every month. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. For more than 25 years, Your Money or Your Life has been considered the go-to book for taking back your life by changing your relationship with money. Its time-tested wisdom applies to people of all ages and covers topics like investing in index funds, managing revenue streams like side hustles and freelancing, tracking your finances online, and having difficult conversations about money. You Need More Money by Matt Manero. Matt Manero wants to figure out what's right for you. His roadmap is a guide to accumulating real wealth, the kind that lets you live the life of your dreams and lasts for generations to come. The Dumb Things Smart People Do with Their Money by Jill Schlesinger. After decades of working as a Wall Street trader, investment advisor, and money expert for CBS News, Jill Schlesinger reveals 13 costly mistakes you may be making right now with your money. Drawing on personal stories and a hefty dose of humor, Schlesinger argues that even the brightest people can behave like financial dumbasses because of emotional blind spots. So if you've saved for college for your kids before saving for retirement, or you've avoided drafting a will, this is the book for you. By following Schlesinger's rules about retirement, college financing, insurance, real estate, and more, you can save money and avoid countless sleepless nights. It could be the smartest investment you make all year. The Index Card by Helene Allen and Harold Pollack. When University of Chicago professor Harold Pollack interviewed Helene Allen, he suggested that everything you need to know about managing your money could fit on an index card. Now, Pollack teams up with Allen to explain why the 10 simple rules of the index card outperform more complicated financial strategies. This is the year I put my financial life in order by John Schwartz. John Schwartz and his wife, Jean, are pre-retirement workers of an economic class well above the poverty line, but well below the 1%. Sharing his own alternately harrowing and hilarious stories, John will walk you through his own journey to financial literacy, which he admittedly started a bit late. He covers everything from investments to retirement and insurance to wills. At 58, he didn't have one, medical directives and more. The Ultimate Retirement Guide for 50+ by Suze Orman. Retirement today is more complex than ever before. It is most definitely not your parents' retirement. You will have to make decisions that weren't even part of the picture a generation ago. In the Ultimate Retirement Guide for 50+, Suze Orman gives you the no-nonsense advice and practical tools you need to plan wisely for your retirement in today's ever-changing landscape. You'll find new rules for downsizing, spending wisely, delaying Social Security benefits, and more starting where you are right now.